It's Miss Loffer. I just want to show you real quick how to sign into your Chromebook. If you rented it from school, then this is what's going to pop up when you open it. And as you can see that the school Chromebooks already have at menifeeusd.org. So your child's email address should be in the learning bag you picked up today, and it's your child's first name, period, last initial, period, and the last 4 digits of their ID number. If you're on another Chromebook, which you can use, you'll have to make sure that you always enter in with at menifeeusd.org. That is what's connected to Google. So once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and push next, put their 2-letter password in, and then that should sign you in to the Chromebook.
Alright, for this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your the Google Classroom for our TK class. So when you open up and log into your Chromebook, you might get this uh-oh page, which is just Clever. It's just a regular web page, and we will have access to Clever later on this month. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to this bar here, the address bar. You're going to click on it, and you're going to hit backspace or delete, and you're going to type in classroom.google.com. And it's going to bring you to here. And you're going to go and you're going to make sure that's your child. You're going to push continue. You're going to say I'm a student. Alright, and then up here, you see the big plus sign right here? You're going to go and you're going to click plus. You're going to join my classroom. Alright, and then you're going to put in the class code, which I have given to you guys on Class Dojo.
You're just going to click in class code, and you're going to enter I37XJVP. And then you're going to go ahead and click on join, and that will get you into my Google Classroom. So let's go ahead and navigate on my classroom. It's going to look different because I'm the teacher, and you'll see it as a student view. But once you're in the classroom, I'm going to have you go ahead and bookmark some things so it's easy for you to navigate when you log in the next time with your student. This first page here is called the stream. It's just going to basically show you everything that I've changed, but that's not important. The only important part about the stream is that it has our Google Meet link right there. That's where you get it when we need to get to our live class lessons. And how you would bookmark that is you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on the star. And when you click on the star, it's going to have you name it. So I'm going to have you name it GC, which is Google Classroom, and we're going to call it Meet. And then you would just push done. Yours will pop up right over here. It'll look like this, but it's just going to say GC Meet. I have tons of bookmarks, so that's why you're not going to see that. Next, you're going to go and click on Classwork, and this is where you'll see all the classwork that is due or the schedule for the week. Eventually, I might be getting to do a daily schedule to break it down, but right now we just have our weekly view. We've been planning for the first 3 weeks of school because we didn't know what to anticipate for. So this one is the first day TK photo. If your first day of school, which is Friday, take a picture, fun picture with your child, maybe holding a sign saying first day TK, whatever you want. Make it funny, make it whatever is enjoyable for you, and then send that to me. And then we have our welcome day here. This here is not where you get to the meet. Remember that how you get to the meet is through the stream. So don't forget, I want you to go and bookmark this one as well. So you're going to push the star. Mine's already blue because I'm already bookmarked, but you just push the star and then rename it to GCTK Loffer, because throughout the years your child's going to have quite a few Google Classrooms, and they forget to delete their bookmarks. So then it's good to remember what it's for. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that just because I already have it. And that's how you get into the Google Classroom.